Crash Course, Argentina, Wildlife and Nature Reserves. Argentina, a land of diverse landscapes and breathtaking beauty, is home to a rich variety of wildlife and nature reserves. From the vast plains of the Pampas to the rugged mountains of Patagonia, Argentina's natural wonders are a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. In this crash course, we will delve into the fascinating world of Argentina's wildlife and explore the top 12 nature reserves that protect and showcase the country's natural treasures. Stories and examples. 1. The majestic Andean condor. The Andean condor, a magnificent bird with a wingspan of up to 10 feet, is one of Argentina's most iconic and revered creatures. Found in the Andes Mountains, this majestic bird is known for its graceful flight and can often be spotted soaring above the rugged peaks. 2. The endearing Magellanic penguin. Along the coast of Argentina, on the shores of Peninsula Valdez, lies a sanctuary for the adorable Magellanic penguins. Thousands of these charming creatures gather here every year to breed and raise their young. Observing their waddling walk and playful interactions is a heartwarming experience. 3. The elusive puma of Patagonia. In the remote wilderness of Patagonia, the puma, also known as the mountain lion, roams freely. Although spotting a puma is a rare occurrence, the thrill of catching a glimpse of this elusive big cat in its natural habitat is an unforgettable adventure. 4. The playful southern right whale. Along the Valdez Peninsula and in the waters of the Atlantic Ocean, the southern right whale makes its presence known. These gentle giants migrate to the protected bays of Argentina's coast to give birth and nurture their young. Witnessing their acrobatic displays and hearing their powerful exhalations is a mesmerizing sight. 5. The unique wildlife of the Ibera wetlands. The Ibera wetlands, one of Argentina's largest natural reserves, is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Here, visitors can spot a wide range of species, including marsh deer, capybaras, caimans, and over 350 species of birds. Exploring the wetlands by boat or on horseback offers an up-close encounter with this unique ecosystem. 6. The iconic guanaco of the Andean highlands. The guanaco, a graceful relative of the llama, roams the high-altitude regions of the Andes. These wild camelids are well adapted to the harsh mountain environment and can be seen grazing on the rugged slopes, adding a touch of wilderness to Argentina's landscapes. 7. The colorful macaws of the Iguazu rainforest. The Iguazu rainforest is not only famous for its magnificent waterfalls but also for its vibrant bird life. The colorful macaws, with their brilliant plumage and raucous calls, bring the forest to life with their presence. Spotting these majestic birds in flight is a visual feast for the eyes. 8. The endangered jaguar in the Gran Chaco. The Gran Chaco, a vast and biodiverse region in northern Argentina, is home to the elusive and endangered jaguar. Protecting this magnificent big cat and its habitat is crucial for the conservation of Argentina's wildlife. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable ecotourism, allowing visitors to support conservation initiatives while experiencing the wonders of the Chaco. 9. The charming hummingbirds of the Yungas forest. In the lush Yungas forest, a subtropical cloud forest in northwest Argentina, hummingbirds flit among the colorful flowers. These tiny birds, with their iridescent feathers and astonishing agility, captivate observers with their beauty and grace. 10. The ancient marine life of the Isquigualasto Provincial Park. Isquigualasto Provincial Park, also known as the Valley of the Moon, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that preserves an incredible record of ancient life. Fossils dating back millions of years offer a glimpse into the prehistoric creatures that once inhabited this region, including dinosaurs and early mammals. 11. The pristine lakes of the Nahuel Huapi National Park. Nahuel Huapi National Park, located in the Andean region of Patagonia, is renowned for its crystal-clear lakes and snow-capped peaks. The park's serene beauty is enhanced by its diverse wildlife, including the Andean deer, foxes, and a variety of bird species. 12. The unique flora of Tierra del Fuego National Park. Tierra del Fuego National Park, situated at the southernmost tip of Argentina, showcases the region's unique flora. Lush forests of lenga and koihu trees, along with vibrant mosses and lichens, create a magical atmosphere. This pristine wilderness is also home to beavers, sea lions, and countless bird species. Summarizing the writing. Argentina's wildlife and nature reserves offer an enchanting glimpse into the country's natural wonders. From the soaring Andean condors to the playful penguins of Peninsula Valdez, Argentina is a sanctuary for a diverse array of species. The top 12 nature reserves highlighted in this crash course invite visitors to explore the country's ecological treasures and immerse themselves in its rich biodiversity. Whether it's witnessing the acrobatic displays of southern right whales, venturing into the remote wilderness of Patagonia in search of pumas, or exploring the wetlands of Iberra, Argentina's wildlife experiences are unparalleled. The country's commitment to conservation ensures the preservation of these habitats and the species that call them home. Poem. In the wilds of Argentina, where nature thrives. The wildlife and reserves ignite our lives. From the soaring condors high above, to penguins waddling with endless love, pumas roam the Patagonian lands, while whales grace the coast with mighty stands. Iberra's wetlands, a haven so grand, and macaws in Iguazu, a colorful band. Guanacos and jaguars, a sight to behold. Hummingbirds shimmering in forests of gold. Isquigualistos ancient tales unfold. Nahuel Huapi's lakes, a beauty untold. Tierra del Fuego's flora, a delicate lace. Argentina's wildlife, a captivating embrace. Song. Verse 1. In Argentina's wild expanse, where nature's beauty takes its chance, wildlife roams and thrives. In reserves where magic thrives. Chorus. From Andean peaks to wetland grace, Argentina's wildlife finds its space. Penguins, whales, and guanaco. In this land, they freely flow. Verse 2. In Patagonia, pumas roam, while jaguars find their jungle home. The Iguazu rainforest sings, with macaws' vibrant wings. Chorus. From Andean peaks to wetland grace, Argentina's wildlife finds its space. Penguins, whales, and guanaco. In this land, they freely flow. Bridge. In Yunga's forest, hummingbirds dance. Isquigualasto reveals life's ancient stance. Nahuel Huapi's lakes so clear. Tierra del Fuego's flora holds us near. Chorus. From Andean peaks to wetland grace, Argentina's wildlife finds its space. Penguins, whales, and guanaco. In this land, they freely flow. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.